Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you see from the title, today we are going to be doing a swatch and review of these KREDIOO thermal gel polishes. So thermal gel polishes are ones where they change colour depending on whether they're hot or cold. They're really fun, they're really cool, and I simply can't wait to swatch them today. Before I do that, I just want to say I apologise for the sound of my voice. If you've seen any of my posts or anything, then you will know that I've not had my voice for the last 3 weeks. I've been quite ill and I'm still not fully recovered yet, but my voice is starting to get better to the point I can actually talk now, so that's something, as I was literally a mute, like, you know, I literally could not say sod all last week really. So yeah, onwards and upwards. Now my voice is back, I thought I'd sit down and try to film this video because I was meaning to get this up like a week ago, but with my voice being gone, I literally could not film. So it's been a bit delayed. I'm really sorry to KREDIOO, I'm sorry for the delay, but I'm going to try and do my best now. So in this set you have 6 gel polishes. So in the kit you get your little instruction manual. This shows you about nail prep, gel application, gel remove application. Got a few Q&A questions, so if you'd like to read them, please pause. And the rest of it is just obviously in different languages, which is really good actually. I like it when they do that. Then you get the gel polishes themselves. These are 7.5ml bottles. They are nice glass bottles. They do have the ingredients and everything on the back of them, which is always much appreciated. As it says in the advertisement, they're 1 colour but 3 effects. So they'll do 1 full colour hot, they'll do 1 full colour cold, and like if you've got long nails on, because of the heat of your nail bed, you kind of get like an ombre gradient effect, so you have 1 colour at the tip and 1 colour on your nail bed, which is really fun. I did do a little TikTok, I will post it here if you haven't already seen it, where I had a little play with some the other day, and they're so much fun. They state they're 28 days plus long lasting, and they just all round look really nice. I do really like KREDIOO products. I've got 2 other gel polish kits that I've had in the past, and I really love them. They were like proper, took my breath away gel polishes, so I know I'm going to love these. But for now, let's stop waffling, let's get some swatch sticks out, and yeah, let's see what these are like. So I'm going to start off with this one since it's in my hands. This is W003, and it looks like it's going to be a pink. So just swatchable for the minute, top coat and all that lovely stuff, and then we will do the colour changer with them and see how well they work with that. Obviously this one is when it's cold, so it's a nice sort of magenta pink, we should call that magenta pink, and it's sparkly as well. We like a sparkle. In fact, these will probably change colour in my lamp, so I can probably show you the colour changer just from the lamp, because obviously the lamp provides heat. So should we do it like that rather than water and getting them wet? I'll still show you the hot and cold. Well, I'll do it with water as well, but I'll show you through the lamp. But I'll just keep that one. Okay, so that's what colour that pink one's just turned into. It's gone to this gorgeous white sparkle. Like, look at that, it's incredible. In fact, I think you can see it's cooling down. It's starting to get the pink around the edges again. But the next one, I'm going to insert a clip of it underneath the lamp, because you literally watch it change and it looks really cool. But yeah, that's the first one, so let's go on to another one. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is W002. I'll put these on the screen, I'll line them up there while I'm doing swatches. In fact, I'll put it around the other side just because obviously I paint with my left hand. But I'll leave that there so you guys can watch it change in back colour. Like this is what this one looks like, gorgeous purple. You can like layer these as well, can't you? And put like sparkles on top of the solid colours. Sorry about my voice. I know I sound awful, but I just feel bad because I've got so many videos to catch up on, but I've literally not done nothing for 3 weeks. I started off with a cold, and then my cold developed into me losing my voice, which was fun. That's a lovely purple. Like I said, I will film me putting it underneath the camera, or not underneath the camera, underneath my lamp, so you guys can see how quickly the colour changes. It's incredible. So yeah, there you go, that one's gone from like a purple to a white again. How cool is that? I love watching them change. So the next one's going to be W001. See how that first one's gone straight back to pink where it's cooled down. This one would be good for Christmas. Gorgeous deep green with glitter in it. It's quite chunky, it's got a bit of texture, but if you put a good layer of top coat over the top of it, it will smooth it right out. So don't worry about any texture, because you know you wouldn't use it on its own anyway. You'd want to use a gel top coat, and that won't affect the use of the thermal side of it at all. It'll be absolutely fine. But I will add clips in to each one, showing you it changing colour of the lamps. It's really fun. So in goes that one. Sorry about the shaky footage. See it change? How instant that is. It's so cool. Look at that colour. Isn't that gorgeous? I really like that one. Okay, so next we're going to go in with W004. Oh, this one looks lovely. I think this might be the one I did my nails with the other day, actually, is it? Might be this one. This one might be the one that goes to blue. And it looked really good. It's one I used on my TikTok. Such gorgeous purple, and the blue's stunning as well, if it's the same one. I think it is. Yeah, it is. So pretty. Alright, let's put that one onto the lamp. See, it's starting to go. Obviously, you can't see the exact colour, but you can blatantly see that colour change. It's awesome. See that blue? So pretty. Okay, so next up we're going to do the W005. Oh, that looks nice. It's a sparkly blue. That's super sparkly. Again, this will be wicked for Christmas. They're really fun. I haven't got many colour change gel polish. I think I literally maybe have like 2 or 3 amongst my collections. So I'm really excited about trying these. But there's that one. Let's get under the lamp. So what colour is this one going to be? I can sort of see the colour change happening. Looks like it's going to like a sparkly white. Okay, so yeah, that one's got to a real nice sparkly like white colour. Stunning. And then last but not least, we've got W006. So this one is another sort of purpley colour, like pinky purple. Different purple to that other one, all sparkly again. We love a good sparkle. Let's quickly get this one underneath the lamp. And I don't know what colour this is going to go. I think it might be going pink. Both either change again, it's a definite change. So yeah, that one's gone very, very light pink. It's really pretty though, isn't it? Love them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give them all another coat off the camera. I'm going to top coat them, and then we'll put them through some hot water and cold water just so we can see the effects again. But yeah, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so here's the range of colours that we've got. Aren't they beautiful? They really are lovely. I don't know, I really like them all. I think these two are probably my favourite. But they're all really pretty. So as you can probably hear in the background, I've got the kettle on. I'm not going to fully boil it, I'm just going to warm it up. And then I'm going to get a bowl of both hot and cold. And we're going to test these out and see how they are. Okay, so I've got my water. I can't really show you the hot one because of the condensation on my camera. But I've just dipped that in hot water. I'll show you guys it going back into the cold. I also apologise about the glare from my lights. Try and do it down there, look. So that gorgeous sort of purpley pink colour. Dip it back into the hot. So see white. And then back to the pink. The pinky purple. See how instant it is though. We'll do this one here. This is obviously the purple. In a split second it goes purple in the it goes blue in the hot. I'll show you back to purple if I do half and half. So I'll give you guys an idea. I'll do that with this one too. Just so you guys see the difference in the colours. And we'll see. It's like magic, isn't it? We then have the blue sparkly one, which goes to a white sparkle. I'll just see back to blue, white, blue. It's amazing. Got the hot pink. That goes white. See how quickly a change happens, eh? It's a cool way to make it look like you've got like a gradient. Or you can do like a French smile line like what I'm doing there. It's like absolutely perfect. But yeah, hot pink. Then we've got purple sparkles, which go to a light pink sparkle. I'm sorry, I wish you under the hot water, but the steam, I don't really want that going straight up in my camera lens. But we've got the purple. So dip all the way in. It's magical. I love it so much. Okay, then last but not least, we've got this one, which is like the dark green. I love the colour that goes to. Back to dark green. But they're so much fun, aren't they? Yeah, so there we go. Right, so there we go. I've dipped them all in together just so you guys can see the range of colours again fully. But they're really pretty, aren't they? I really like them. I'm impressed how well they work as well, because they really do change colour instantly, don't they? And like I said, if you've got long nails on, because they heat from the nail bed, that would be one colour, and then the tip of the nail isn't actually touching you, is a different colour. It looks like you've got perfect like ombre or gradient kind of thing going on, which is really cool. I really, really like that. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to do some nail art of these very, very, very soon, but for the moment I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to keep it like this. These are available on Amazon, like I said, £15.99. I have got a discount code for you, which I'll pop up on the screen here, so you guys can get a little bit off if you decide to place an order. I will tag the kit down in the description box and in the comments down below. But other than that, thank you very much, KREDIOO, for sending me this kit. It is really cool. I really like all the polishes I've tried so far. I've also got a e-file to test out as well, so keep eyes peeled for that video. I'll be up on that in the next couple of days as well. And yeah, other than that, I hope you all have a great day, whatever you do. Thank you ever so much for watching. Much love to you all. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.